thunderstorms that will be firing up. Right through your Wednesday, we can see more rain in the forecast, and this is going to add up before it's all said and done. And some of these areas where we're actually forecasting maybe 1 to 2 up to an inch, it could be higher because it can, of course, when you're talking about thunderstorms, thunderstorms can put out a lot of rain at one time, up to about 1 to 2 in just one thunderstorm. So just take that into consideration, and just know that with this, we could be dealing with some more flash flooding concerns out here. Down south, we've been dealing with a lot of moisture, a lot of moistness in the atmosphere. We're just bringing it all out, and with that, we continue to watch the potential for flash flooding, not only for your tomorrow, but for your Tuesday as well. So again, all the areas here shaded in the green color and going all the way down into Miami. So let's go ahead and type this out for you. And the good news is, like to start with the good news, and that is that not everybody's going to be getting wet. We will start to see some of the green being painted, and some of the darker green, that's where you start to see some heavier rain. And we'll see this as we head into your Monday around Atlanta, business around Greenville. But what happens on Tuesday, though? Things start to dry out a little bit more for Nashville, around Tupelo, but Tallahassee, you'll get in on this. As we head into your Wednesday, most of us on the drier side, but still trying to hang on as we go into the evening on your Wednesday night, back off towards the east there. And then New Orleans, yes, some thunderstorms on trade-off in the summertime. And if you're trying to beat the heat and you're heading to one of the many beaches in Florida, be careful of rip currents, because that is going to be a threat that we're tracking not to just today, but for, of course, majority of the upcoming week. There's always some danger lurking in the water. A moderate risk of rip currents from, say, Vero Beach all the way up through the Georgia coastline. Lower risk on the Gulf side of Florida, but it doesn't mean that there's no risk of rip currents. And as we jump over to Texas, Galveston, what an improvement in what we've seen in the last couple of days. It's been a soggy weekend so far, but now we're turning the page to a new pattern and a drier pattern. But as Lynette was talking about with New Orleans, once we lose the rain in the clouds, the heat comes back full force. 87 in Pensacola, a chance for storms, but this is, Florida's rainy season, so that's pretty much every single day this time of year in Florida. But notice the water temperatures. Panama City, 87. Our air temperature, 88. So very close to our air temperature. We jump down to the Clearwater area, where actually our water temperature is warmer than our air temperature, which of course, Paul, is going to feed into the tropics, which we'll discuss a little bit later.
Yeah, that's coming up.